There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would. not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Hey, Sako. Tush. Hi guys. Hi guys. Sama yulukisha mesama la mama. Yulukisha. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Wahan. Dumelang baratiwa.
Hey boy.
Did you know? Dumelang baratiwa. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady for those who don't know me. And we go by the name Modern Mom Lifestyle. And in this channel we do all things motherhood, lifestyle, and all things fun. So guys, today is Tuesday. I didn't go to work, so I'm just sitting with the kids, guys. So guys, I think I've been MIA for like the past 2 weeks. I don't know how I should actually handle this. Yeah, I've been like MIA for the past 2 weeks because I was a little busy, guys. I was just a little busy, and on top of that, my epidemic sound, just the subscription epidemic sound, it was giving me problems, guys. So I couldn't upload the vlog. And guys, I have 2 vlogs that are edited, and I use the music from the epidemic sound, so like there was no way that I was going to upload that without fixing my subscription. So guys, what happened is I made a subscription and then I was paying yearly. So I didn't know that it was about to expire. Like I was, last time I checked, and it showed me that it's gonna expire on August, on the 31st of August, and I totally forgot that, guys. I totally forgot. Let me not say I didn't know. I totally forgot. And then by the time it was 31st August, and then boom, my subscription has expired, and now I didn't have like the amount like the subscription yearly, guys. And I tried to make monthly so that I can pay for this month and then at least plan to pay the full the following month. But unfortunately, guys, what's like no, it was saying no. It was saying no, guys. It was definitely saying no. I Nessa Dumelang at all, guys. Nessa Dumelang. So I ended up canceling the subscription on its like as a whole and created a whole new account, because guys, there was no way that I'm going to start edit a vlog from scratch. No, Didi man. Why are you like that? See, no. So yeah, guys, that is actually like one of the reasons that I didn't post for this past 2 weeks. But other than that, guys, Lena Nikili busy. I was studying, and yeah, it was just that, guys. So yeah, we are back, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna start vlogging again, because I totally like I stopped local vlogger because like there was no point for me like giving a lot of footages that I wasn't like it about too much for me in such a way. It about too much overwhelming. Let me just put it like that. It was going to be too much overwhelming because I feel inside kamo phone and Linda Nikitlo feletsa ke ba overwhelmed. So I didn't want to pressure myself like that, so that's why I stopped completely. And yeah, we are officially back now, guys. I'm busy uploading the other vlog that was supposed to be last week. I'm busy uploading it today, so that means you guys gonna see it tomorrow, because we just load shedding Leona just hit, and it's like, yo guys, network Leona ever slow when there's no electricity. Leona ever slow, so nje, like dilo tsaka they're not hlanganing adi hlangan, but I promise guys, like by tomorrow the vlog will be up. Anyway, by the time you see this video that I'm doing now, maybe you would have seen maybe 2 vlogs before this one, because yeah, that's it guys, that's it. I wanna go and pack the laundry, guys. Like, I have a lot of laundry. I want to go pack the laundry so that tomorrow when my helper comes, like a mountain of laundry on the bed, guys. Like, that's not cute. So yeah, I want to go and do that, and then yeah, after that I'm just gonna sit around and check. Yeah, so guys, let me check up on you later. Macaron. Alright, maganunu. Dula fast, please. If I'm mom. Hey, thank you. Dula fast. By eating egg and cheese and means. Titi, no. When I would
Listen, bona siya wetsang le.
Siya. Wow, bona Titi. Dumelang baratiwa, welcome back. So I just knocked off, guys. So I just passed here by Pick and Pay. I just want to buy some bread and fill up on some few things that we are running out of. So I also bought guys, let me show you. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys. Like, I don't think I will be able to show you. I bought a waffle burger from KFC, guys. Like, I just want to see what's the hype guy on it. So I just went to buy it. I thought I was going to eat it in the car, but guys, I feel like time is not on my side. So I think I'm just going to leave and I'm going to eat it at home, guys. So guys, one other thing, I just wanted to thank you so much for checking up on me, guys. Like, I saw so many messages and so like, and little DMs, guys, little DM. One of my subscribers even said I had to come and stalk you on Instagram because I was wondering why you are not posting on YouTube. So guys, thank you so much for the checkup, guys. I'm busy checking out there, guys, like chemo picking. So yeah, but guys, yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much, guys, for checking up on me. And yeah, guys, like, I'm not one of those people I'm used to people being nice to me, guys. Like, I'm not really used to people being nice to me, and sometimes it makes me feel like, oh, there are actually people that actually miss me or that actually check up on me, guys. So thank you so much, guys, like that. I appreciate it so much, guys. So I don't think I will catch up go high, because I don't think we're gonna catch up, guys, because I have to cook and I'm releasing my helper also. So I don't think I'll be able to like shoot and anything and do anything, guys. But yeah, I bought this, guys. I'll see it when I get home, or maybe let me just show you, because I'm not gonna be able to show you when I get home. Oh, that's ghetto. I'm so dead. kero. Oh my word. Oh, batla ba iphuthela here, guys. Batla ba iphuthela. So guys, I'm sorry. I just want to see what's it with the hype. Kiye guys, you have put it, and I don't want to mess it up. Kiye, I hope you can see it. I'll eat it when I get home, guys. Like right now, time is not on my side, and I also have to release my helper because Hubi's gonna be a bit late. So ciao guys, we'll see you when I see you. Ciao. Guys, am I the only one who ate two bags of rooibos in my tea because it is just too, because it's not strong, it is just too weak. Yeah, I finished. Maswana. Yeah, maswana, papa. Yeah. So guys, I have this box here. No, Titi, no. I have this box here. It's from Limogen. It's the pots in here, guys. Maybe I'm gonna show you how they look. I got this box maybe 3 days ago. I'm still lazy to open it, but guys, it's as if I've got some little helpers here. Let me take these keys. I've got some little helpers. They're opening for me. Guys, my little helpers are doing the job for me. Look. Just look. Just look. What's the name?